For this off-road ride, the total weight of the bag and its load is a little over 10 pounds. I've got a couple of 16-ounce bottles of water in the top. In here I've got an air pump. I've got the camera bag for the camera I'm using right now. I've got the tool bag that I talked about in another video. Got my Allen wrenches, metric Allen wrenches, crescent wrench. And then in the bottom compartment I've got the patch kit and some tire levers. I've also got a chain tool, and I have a GoPro case, the larger case that's got room for the camera, batteries. I got a charger, some cords. I have a regular water bottle. It's filled. Fits there, and then you're supposed to tighten this down and then loop this over the bottle. Now, Topeak does not specifically recommend that you do this, but I was able to actually fit items inside of these pannier bag cases. I've got a camera tripod. It's the kind that extends out. And I was able to just kind of squeeze that in there. And then in this other side, I was able to fit some other tripods. You can see that the rack is lined up pretty close to being exactly straight, maybe slightly off, but I'm going to see how it may or may not shift around during the ride. Okay, made it back to the end. The bag's still latched, so I guess let's see how straight it is. It actually looks pretty much the same as it was when I left. So I definitely think trying to go down this steep incline over here would have been pretty difficult to do with this bag mounted way up high like that. The bag is still latched. Is it still lined up straight? Well, it looks slightly to the left, more so than it did before. But overall, I think it worked out pretty well. Now, the other consequence of using a bag mounted up high on a seat post like this is that all that weight on that bag mounted up high makes it harder to lean the bike quickly from one side to the other, as you may need to do when you're navigating terrain.